everyone, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am making pea and ham soup. So it's really quick, it's really easy to put together, and you can put it together in 5 minutes and just let it go until it's ready. So here I have 6 cups of chicken stock. Now this is my homemade chicken stock, but if you don't have homemade chicken stock, you can use whatever you have on hand. I'm going to link you to a video that I made where I made chicken soup and then I keep the leftover stock. So if you want to make your own chicken soup and then have chicken stock left over, you can go and have a look at that video. So for this recipe, I have my 6 cups of chicken stock. I then have 250 grams of bacon. I have 1 teaspoon of mixed dried herbs, 250 grams of dried green split peas, and then in here I have 1 chopped onion and 2 cloves of garlic that should really be crushed. I've just chopped them up, so that'll be fine either way. All I'm going to do is give this a quick mix. Now my stock was frozen, that's why you see a large block of frozen stock there. All I'm going to do now is I'm going to put this over a flame and I'm going to allow it to come to the boil. Then I'm just going to leave it for an hour and a half, and when we come back we will have beautiful pea and split ham soup. Now that the soup has come to a boil, I'm just going to put it on low and I'm going to allow it to simmer for about 1 to 1.5 hours. We want to make sure that the dried split peas are nice and soft, and when it gets to that point I'll bring you back and show you what the finished soup looks like. After an hour and a half, this is what my pea and ham soup looks like. I'm going to go and dish it up and we're going to enjoy for dinner. And here we have a delicious bowl of pea and ham soup. So thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, please go ahead, like, comment and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time on Do It Frugal. Bye!